আপনার কি কিছু কাজ আছে ভেতরে? কাজ আছে? ঠিক আছে যান। আপনাকে তো দুটোর সময় আসতে বলেছিলাম না? ও আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে যান। Okay, good afternoon to all of you. In the topic chemical bonding, we have done ionic bond, we have done covalent bond, we have done comparison of ionic and covalent bond, and today we are going to discuss coordinate bond. So basically, what is happening is that this is nitrogen atom. So in nitrogen atom, um, as you are aware that in the outermost shell of nitrogen atom there are 5 electrons. So I have shown these 5 dots like 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. So these 5 dots are for nitrogen atom, and there are 3 hydrogen atoms. So there are 3 crosses for 3 hydrogen atoms. Now this is ammonia molecule, and ammonia is a stable neutral molecule, but there is an ion called ammonium ion. Okay, there is a very well known ion that is called ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Now this ammonium ion, how is it formed? So basically what happens is that if you consider hydrogen plus ion, so hydrogen plus ion means what? That you have taken a hydrogen atom and you have removed the electron. Hydrogen atom has 1 electron, you have removed the electron. So it has got no electron at all. So it has not got octet duplet, it has got no electron at all. So if you can give a pair of electrons to H plus ion, if you can give a pair of electrons, then what will happen? It will achieve a duplet. It will have 2 electrons. So you donate these 2 electrons to H plus. So that donation is shown by an arrow. So when you put an arrow, that means you are donating 2 electrons to the H plus. And meanwhile, these 3 are single covalent bonds. Okay, like this one, this one, this one. These are all single covalent bonds. And this arrow is showing that nitrogen is donating the lone pair to H plus. So that is how you are getting a molecule that is NH4 plus. Okay, So NH4 plus is called ammonium ion, it's a cation, and the way it works is that there will be a stable neutral molecule. So in this case, that stable neutral molecule is ammonia, which is formed by three covalent bonds like nitrogen with three hydrogens, and that nitrogen will have a lone pair which will donate to one H plus ion, and due to that you will get the neutral stable molecule which is called ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Okay, so similarly there is another cation that is called hydronium ion. Okay, hydronium ion. So here what's happening is that as usual there is a neutral stable molecule, water molecule. So in water molecule you have H2O. So there are two hydrogens and one oxygen. So there's a stable molecule. As you know that each oxygen is forming a covalent bond with each hydrogen. So one covalent bond here, one covalent bond here. Now this oxygen has got two lone pairs, that means two electron pairs which are not involved in bonding. So one electron pair is here, one electron pair is here. Now what is happening is that when a H plus ion comes in the vicinity of this oxygen, then oxygen will donate that electron pair to the H plus. When oxygen donates electron pair to the H plus, that time a coordinate covalent bond is formed between oxygen and H plus. So as a result of this you will get H3O plus. So H3O plus is called hydronium ion. So these are the two examples of coordinate covalent bond. Remember, it is called coordinate covalent bond. It is a type of bond. It is coordinate bond, but it is called coordinate covalent bond because it is not an ionic bond. What you may get at the end is an ion, agreed, but it is not an ionic bond. Okay, it is covalent bond with one-sided sharing. Like in covalent bond, normally sharing happens equally between them. This is one-sided sharing. So this is the topic for today, coordinate covalent bond. Okay, now all of you, these are the 5 homework questions for the next day. I have given you 5 types of species. They may be radicals, they may be molecules, but they all have coordinate bond and they have covalent bond also. So you will have to show the coordinate or covalent or both in each of these. That is your homework. First is O3. O3 all of you know is ozone. Second is CO3 2 minus, that is carbonate radical CO3 2 minus. Third is N2O3, it is an oxide of nitrogen. N2O4 oxide of nitrogen. N2O5 oxide of nitrogen. N2O3, N2O4, N2O5. So these are the 5 homework questions, and in each of these 5 questions you will have normal covalent bond and you will also have coordinate covalent bond. So whichever is applicable, normal or coordinate, you will have to show these 5 structures. And this is your homework for the next session, which is going to be, this is your homework for Tuesday by 9 p.m. you have to submit. So this is the work, right? So on that note, I'll conclude this session. Thanks a lot. And I'll end the session now. Bye all of you.